and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your TikTok profile picture. Let's move on and open the TikTok app. Now after opening the app, head over to the profile section at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on edit profile button. Now for changing the profile picture, tap on camera icon. Now you can see different options. First option is take photo, which allow you to take photo in the real time right now. Now if you want to select from gallery, tap on second option. Now after choosing the photo from your gallery, tap on save button. Once you do that, you can see your profile picture has been changed. I hope this video helped you to change your TikTok profile picture. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.